Hello everyone, this is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia, and today we are in Eden, New York, and we are setting this modular home on its 8-foot superior wall basement. And the first module was just craned on. And let's go take a look. So so 8-foot superior wall basement. And this was actually a home that burned down, unfortunately. So this home buyer's previous home, unfortunately, had a fire and burned down. Look at how beautiful this property is. And so this modular home is 3 beds, 2 baths. And I will put a link to the floor plan in the description of the video, and we'll get part 2 of the video of the second module being craned on, so that you can see that happening. And then if we can stick around long enough, we'll actually get to see the roof lifted to its peak. So stick around and we'll check that all out. And if you ever want any information on these homes or what it takes to buy one and have one installed for yourself, I think you'd be surprised how streamlined the process is now. And feel free to stop in Owl Homes anytime. There's over $2 million in homes on display for you to walk through with the family, the friends, and easily get information from one of the consultants on just what it takes to do something like this. And, you know, those questions that everybody has. What does it cost? What's the timeline? What's the down payment? What's the monthly payments? You know, those are things that are very easy to answer. So getting information on homes like this should not be difficult. And now Homes of Fredonia makes it very easy. So stop on down at 3752 East Main Road in Fredonia, New York, and check out the houses and get some information. And we'll catch you in part 2.